To our ever-supportive barangay officials, headed by Barangay Captain Annalisa B. Solomon, our industrious SPTA officers, led by Mrs. Catherine A. Pascual, our dedicated teaching and non-teaching personnel, led by Sir Ronaldo M. Corpus, distinguished guests, our beloved families, fellow graduates, and to everyone present here today. Good morning to us all. When I transferred here in grade 4, I still remember standing quietly while everyone else seemed to know exactly what to do. All eyes felt like they were on me, and in that moment, I wondered if I truly belonged. Because I was just a transferee, nothing special, or so I thought. The first week was awkward, uncertain, and overwhelming. I questioned myself, my abilities, and whether I could truly fit in. But as days turned into weeks, something beautiful happened. I found my place. I found friends who welcomed me, classmates who supported me, and a community that slowly felt like home. I experienced laughter, small misunderstandings, growth, and unforgettable moments that have shaped who I am today. When we entered grade 6, many of us carried a new kind of fear. We asked ourselves, kaya ba namin? We thought we already knew what to expect, especially when we first saw our teacher. She seemed strict, serious, and always firm. Naturally, we felt intimidated. But as the days passed, we began to see beyond that first impression. Yes, she was strict, yet she corrected us and pushed us to do better. But more than that, we saw her heart. A heart full of care, patience, and love. We discovered that behind every correction was concern. And behind every challenge was a desire for us to grow. In her, we found not just a teacher, but a second parent who guided us, believed in us, and prepared us for the future. If I were asked to choose one moment that will forever remain in my heart, it would be the week before graduation. Out of all the activities, achievements, and memories we shared, that one stood out the most. It was when we paused from everything, our lessons, our practices, our busy schedules, and we prayed together. We thank God for guiding us through every challenge, every doubt, and every tiring day that we felt like giving up. And not only did we look back with gratitude, we also looked forward with faith. We asked Him to guide us in the years ahead, especially when the time comes that life becomes difficult again. That moment reminded me that every achievement that we gain is not only by our strength, but also by His grace. He is the reason why we are here today, standing proud, standing strong, and ready for what comes next. To our families, words will never be enough to express our gratitude. Behind every graduate here today is a family who sacrificed, supported, and believed. To my loved ones, Mami Lisa, Tati Roslyn, Tita Karen, Tito Jong and Tita Lisa, to my Lola Paz, Mami Maret and Daddy Jet, to my Ading Zay, who never fails to make me smile. To my father, Papa Apon, who patiently brings me to and from school no matter the weather. And to my mother, Mama Zell, who lovingly takes care of us every single day. Thank you. Thank you for your sacrifices that often go unseen, for your patience when we struggle, and for your love that never fails. I pray that one day we can give back more than what you have given to us. In this moment, I would like to invite all my fellow graduates to join me in a message for our parents. Thank you for endless love, sacrifices, and unwavering support. We love you and we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. To our dear teachers, we offer our deepest gratitude. Thank you for your patience, your dedication, and your commitment to shaping not only our minds but also our character. Thank you for all the lessons that went beyond books, for teaching us discipline, respect, perseverance, and integrity. Thank you for correcting us when we were wrong, encouraging us when we felt weak, and believing in us when we could not believe in ourselves. You have made a lasting impact in our journey, and we will carry your teachings wherever we go. You will always be remembered as a significant part of our life. To my friends, thank you for being part of this beautiful chapter of our lives. Thank you for the laughter that filled our classrooms, for the support during difficult times, and for the memories that we will cherish forever. You made every ordinary day extraordinary. You turned simple moments into unforgettable ones. As we move forward, I hope we continue to love God, cherish our families, honor our teachers, value our friendships, and most importantly, learn to love ourselves. Let us not forget where we came from. And let us carry with us the lessons and the values that this school has instilled in us. To my fellow graduates, let us truly cherish this moment. This is one of our last times here in Katuray Elementary School, a place that became our second home. These classrooms, our teachers, and our friends have shaped who we are today. Soon, all of these will become memories. Beautiful memories that we cannot go back to. Because time continues to move forward, and truly, time is gold. So let us embrace this moment, celebrate it, and treasure it in our hearts. My journey has been filled with joy, and now a little sadness as we say goodbye. Goodbye to the teachers who became our second parents, classrooms that became our second home, and to the friends who became our family. But this is not the end. This is only the beginning of a new chapter, a new journey filled with new dreams, new challenges, and new opportunities. Thank you very much, and congratulations to all of us.